It's time to spend those savings because Black Friday is finally here. And with Black Friday, we're greeted with tons of laptop deals that you really don't want to miss out on. In our video today, we're going to talk about a few exclusive Black Friday laptop deals that just feel too good to be true. So without further ado, let's begin. The MSI Katana 17 packs power for both work and play with its 13th Gen Intel Core i7 CPU and RTX 4060 GPU, delivering silky smooth 144Hz gaming and effortless multitasking. Now with over $300 off on Black Friday, this 17.3 inches gaming laptop's simplistic design pairs premium performance with Windows 11 versatility at just $1,199. And that's not all. You can also go and level up your gaming experience without emptying your wallet with the Asus TUF Gaming A16. Its powerful yet efficient Ryzen 7 CPU and RX 7600S GPU deliver buttery 165Hz performance in a portable 4.85-pound chassis. With 16GB of DDR5 RAM and 512GB SSD, this durable laptop has all you need for smooth gaming on the go. An absolute steal at just $929, down from $1,099. Save big on this budget-friendly powerhouse before the sale ends. And if you want something a bit different but cut from the same cloth, you could opt for the Asus TUF Dash this Black Friday. Its RTX 3060 GPU, i7 processor, and 16GB of 4800 MHz DDR5 RAM deliver silky smooth 144Hz gameplay, while military-grade durability withstands daily use, while dual arc flow fans keep temps low. With abundant storage, ports, and easy upgrades, this powerhouse has all you need to conquer. Slated at $1,299, but now just $1,100, snag 15% off before this Black Friday deal disappears. Elevate your play and work to new heights with the latest Razer Blade 17, a powerful yet portable machine packing potent performance for less this Black Friday. Equipped with a 12th Gen i7 CPU, RTX 3070 Ti graphics, 16GB DDR5 RAM, and a vibrant Quad HD 240Hz display, this thin 17-inch laptop empowers pros with desktop caliber speed, perfect for gaming, creating, and multitasking. And now you'll get to save $1,200 for unmatched value in an ultra-premium package built to endure on the go. The HP 15 laptop maximizes productivity and entertainment with its portable thin and light design, micro-edge bezel, 15.6 inches display, and powerful AMD Ryzen CPU Radeon graphics. Now at an amazing price this Black Friday. Experience vivid visuals, lightning-fast NVMe SSD, and over 7 hours of battery life perfect for cruising through tasks and marathoning movies on the go. Seamless Windows 11 integration provides a fresh perspective on getting things done, and all that for just $306. Unleash your creativity with immense power in a portable form with Apple's MacBook Pro. Now almost $2,000 off for Black Friday. The beastly M1 Max chip provides a massive speed boost for CPU, GPU, and ML performance, while the advanced 1080p camera and stellar 17-hour battery life keep you connected and productive anywhere. With game-changing performance in a thin chassis, this Pro laptop is ready to revolutionize your workflow. Experience high FPS gaming glory on MSI's Crosshair 16, now hundreds less this Black Friday. With an i7 CPU, 16GB RAM, 1TB SSD, and mighty RTX 4070 graphics, this 16-inch 144Hz laptop powers through demanding titles with silky smooth frame rates and rapid load times. All that performance sits in a savvy chassis, ready for battle wherever your quest takes you. So snag this advanced rig at a premium discount before the quest ends. Power through 18 hours unplugged with the Macbook Air M1, now $289 off this Black Friday. The efficient Apple M1 chip blazes through editing, gaming, and multitasking, while the 8GB unified memory enables smooth tab juggling and file opening. With its lightweight yet durable design and super speedy performance, this MacBook is ready to boost productivity wherever the day takes you, so snag it on sale before the offer flies away. Power through tasks and stay entertained on the vivid 15.6 touchscreen of the HP Pavilion, a versatile machine now hundreds less for Black Friday. With an Intel Core i7 processor, expansive 32GB RAM, and a massive 1TB SSD, it tackles demanding workflows, while Windows 11 adds slick new features. Sleek styling houses serious power, perfect for work, school, and play. So grab this do-it-all laptop before the deal disappears. Fluidly fold through life's demands with the versatile Acer Chromebook Spin 311, a solid $120 off for Black Friday. Weighing just 2.31 pounds, its flexible 360-degree hinge transforms this ultra-portable into anything. Laptop, tablet, tent display, fitting any situation on the go. An efficient MediaTek processor provides up to 15 hours of battery for all-day productivity, while integrated Google apps and millions of Android programs enable work and play anywhere. This lightweight 2-in-1 neatly folds power, portability, and adaptability into one, now at a wallet-friendly price. So that was our take on exclusive Black Friday laptop deals that you don't want to miss out. Which one of these laptops are you taking for a spin and why? Do let us know, as we'd love to hear from you.